Friend, today we are going to learn the differences between xylem and the phloem. This is very important topic and often it is asked in the examination. So let's learn the differences between the two in the pointwise manner. Okay, so that both these xylem and phloem, they are the conductive tissue of the plant. It means that they play important role in the transport of water and solute. Okay, so the first difference between the xylem and the phloem is that the xylem, it possesses dead conducting cells. Okay, whereas the phloem, it consists of living conducting cells. Okay, so this is very huge difference between the two, that xylem contains of dead conducting cell, whereas the phloem consists of living conducting cells. Okay, the second difference between the xylem and phloem is that the xylem transport water and nutrients. So water and nutrients, okay, will be transported from roots. This is very important, listen carefully. From roots to other part of the plant. Okay, so what xylem is doing, it is transporting water and nutrient transport. Okay, it will perform water and nutrient transport from where to where? From roots to other part of the plant. Okay, whereas phloem, it will transport the sugar, protein and organic molecule. Okay, and from where to where? From leaves and other parts to the roots. Okay, so the basic movement is from leaf and other plant to the roots. The third difference between the xylem and the phloem is that in case of the xylem, the transport of water nutrient is unidirectional. Okay, unidirectional means it is in the one direction only, that is from roots to the other plants only it will take. Okay, so this is the plant, so this is root. So what xylem will do, it will take the water and nutrient from roots to the other plant. Okay, so the flow will go like this. However, in case of phloem, it is bidirectional. Bidirectional means it will go into both the direction. So it can be transferred from here to here, or from up to down, or from down to up. Okay, the fourth difference between the xylem and the phloem is that the xylem is made up of tracheids and vessels. Okay, so it is made up of tracheids and vessels, whereas the phloem is made up of sieve elements, parenchyma cells, and sclerenchyma cells. Okay, so the xylem, it is made up of two elements, that is the tracheid and the vessels, whereas the phloem is made up of sieve elements, parenchyma and the sclerenchyma cells. So the next difference between the two is in terms of location. So the xylem is located at the center of stem. Okay, whereas phloem is located outside the cambia. Okay, so the last difference between the xylem and phloem is in the volume. Okay, so the total xylem volume is high, whereas the total volume of the phloem is less. Okay, So these are the 6 differences, pointwise differences between xylem and the phloem. Thank you for watching the video.